Hey, John, this has been great. This is our last question. I know you're probably tired, but I'm just getting started. I'm excited about what I'm learning here, and I think our viewers are going to be excited too, especially when you're in crisis and you're searching for help. I know one of my friends just reached out to you for help, and you referred her to another lawyer, and she called me yesterday and was so grateful. Whatever advice you guys gave her and helped her, she was definitely appreciative. And when you're in crisis, when you're in pain, like you need trusted people. And so there are people out there. They're scouring through Google. They're looking at Facebook, on Yelp. They're trying to find a lawyer. What's your advice to people who've had a personal injury case and they're looking for lawyers? Like, what are some of the criterias and some of the things they should be looking for, questions they should be asking?
Yeah, and another great question, Jack, because there are so many lawyers that you'll find on the internet, especially here in South Florida. But one of the best ways for someone to find an attorney is, of course, word of mouth, referrals. And attorneys do rely upon others who may refer cases. So if you have someone that has suffered an injury or has made a claim in the past and they feel they were properly represented by an attorney, we're very satisfied with the results, give that an attorney consideration as well. And the next step, I think, is to actually personally interview the attorney. Remember, they're looking for your business to represent you as a client in this case. And my office provides free 1 hour consultations with any victim of a personal injury or other matter. We sit
Oh,
down, you get to know me, I get to know you, and there establishes a comfort level during that process. You can either sign with my office and I can represent you, but take time for consideration during that process. So the personal interaction with the attorney on a face-to-face basis is always a great way to do that as well. And then get a good idea. I have a web page just like any other attorney, and you need to have an experienced attorney that has been through the litigation process, has a lot of experience in trial at court, and that matters as well because it's not an easy process. And the more experience, the better. There are plenty of young attorneys out there as well who can provide you with representation, but an experienced attorney is also a wise decision.
okay. Great, man. I appreciate you. Um, all right, guys. And if you guys need any help, please, check out his website. It's JP Gosh Law. That's G as in green, O as in owl, S as in Sam, H as in Harry, law.com, JP as in Paul, goshलाw.com. And if again, we want to thank you guys for tuning into this knowledge base John Goshgarian Talks.